Hello, I got to know about this New Roots hair clinic from my couple of friends who has already got it done from this clinic, but from a very different branch. And after that, I came into contact with New Roots hair clinic, and I gone through my consultation, and after that they have recommended me a date for the transplantation, and before that I have got the surgery preparation and everything. And after that, the transplantation everything was good from the staff and everything. And after that, this is my second day after the consultation, and I have got my dressing done and today, and rest of the things are really good here. Thank you, New Roots.